The 3.0 Intpw USB hub for basically your data transfer, or if you need additional ports on your computer or Mac. This is a device. With 3.0 you can get roughly nice 5 gigabits of speed. I do like the metal construction of this. This is 100% fully metallic right here on the top. The only plastic you'll find is this little grill that's built into it where the USB is housed, and you have some rubber gripping here to mount on your table. I do like that you have this nice wedge that you can place onto your table, and you'll find that it stays nice and sturdy. And the good thing about that is the USB ports point towards you, so you can just plug and play your USB devices right on front of it. Comes with a 3.0 to 3.0 cable, roughly about 3 feet long, so just long enough to connect to your PC if it's mounted on your table and routing it behind your desk. This is especially good for high-speed SSDs, roughly 500 to 800 megabytes per second. You can expect to get around 500 to 600 megabytes transfer rates with this device. In my testing with the Crucial X6, which boasts about 800 megabytes per second transfer rates, I was getting roughly 400 to 500 megabytes per second, considering this low profile kind of device, which is made for that kind of thing. Nothing too super fancy, but it's not low end either. Kind of cool, because if you purchase this and you activate this extended warranty within 3 days of your purchase, you will be able to get lifetime warranty on this device. And if it ever goes south and goes bad, you can always get it replaced. That's right. You just make sure you contact INTBW and they will be glad to replace that for you in a jiffy. Peanut butter? Why? I don't know why they say that. So who would this device be for? I would say this is probably mostly for content creators who use this for their USB devices to transfer data to and from their laptop or their PC, Mac computer. And it would be that for them because the way the USB ports are oriented. That's right. They are set so that it is facing you and you can just plug and play your USB devices, input them, take them out, and that's it. I wouldn't imagine you'd stick all your USB devices with wires, right? Headset, webcam, that sort of thing, because then you have all these wires in front of you and in your face, which you kind of really don't want to do. Is it a good and decent, consistent device? Yes, it does run a little warm, but because of its aluminum body, it tends to cool off pretty fast, and you get some pretty fast speeds up to about 500 or 600 megabytes per second via these 5 gigabit ports. So not a shabby purchase for $11.99. You can thank INTPW for that. They have provided this sample for free to me to share with you guys out there. They have given no input as to how I should feel about it or what to say. This is all 100% tech, toys, and gaming. So if it's trash, then we'll pass. But this particular device makes the pass on the Tech, Toys, and Gaming Show. If you're interested in the device, of course, as usual, check the links in the description. You can go ahead and follow that, and it'll take you right where you need to go and get to it as fast as possible, right? All right, and with that, I'll see you in my next video. Later.